All right, people, welcome back. My name is Fluckers Design, and today we are going to go into a little bit of a troubleshoot video for RedM. Um, well, if you're here, you probably know what RedM is, but if you do not know what RedM is, because you're just a sub to the channel, RedM is a modded framework for Red Dead Redemption 2. It's kind of the same thing as 5M, but then for Red Dead Redemption 2. And sometimes people install RedM, and then when they launch, they, for some reason, have something happen that should not be the case. Now, the problem is not on their side. The problem is on the install guide on RedM itself, what is non-existent. So I am part of a RedM server called the TackRoom. Link will be down in the description if you are a RedM fan and you like horses. This is more it's not a roleplay server, it's more a server based on horse breeding, selling, and all kinds of stuff. I will leave a link down in the description if you are interested or you want to check it out. We are a growing community. Day by day, we're gaining a lot of people, and I'm really happy to see this. But this is also where I came up with this video, because I am, well, kind of helping with bug reports and that kind of stuff. Not a official tech support yet, but who knows? But what the problem is really simple. They download RedM, right? They download the exe. Now, keep in mind, this exe is at the same time an installer. Now, here's the thing. A normal exe is a executable for the game, right? And normally before that, you have an installer. Like the most common one in today's days is Steam, right? You install it there. Then you hit play. When you hit that play button, it runs the executable, right? Back in the day, you with disk drives, you'd put in your disk, and then you got that disk will launch the installer executable. Then that will install the. You get the point. Now, RedM doesn't have an installer. I tried to make one for RedM a while ago. It didn't work because, well, there were some complications. It's possible I may remake that one again for a custom RedM installer. But the issue here is a lot of people don't know this, and what they're doing is they drop, and I will actually show, I have a video, and I have the consent of this person to use this video to show what's going on and what's happening. So what they do, they download RedM, the executable, and they drop it in the Red Dead Redemption folder. Then they start the game, and then they get the following. So let me hop over to my screen, show you what is happening, and after that, I will also show you what you should do and not do. So, all right, we are on the right screen. Yes, we are. So, okay, here's the thing. You can see it here. We have the video right here. I'm going to play it first, and then I will continue the explanation. All right, there you go. Now, first, what people will do in the first, what is understandable after seeing this error right here at the end, what they will probably do is go into and make sure that there is always what you would want to do anyway. So make sure you're logged into your Rockstar account, because it's possible this happens. But I noticed right off the bat, what was the issue. And that is right here in the beginning when she joins. Or he, I don't know. Right when she presses connect, she gets through the whitelisted. Everything is being done like it should. Right here, I already instantly see the issue. Right up there. This is where it's launching the normal Red Dead Redemption Online mode. Normally what you will get the installations or the loading screen for the server the way they have set it up. Not this. So what is happening here, and this is also why she gets the error that it's not able to connect to the server. So what happened right here? Well, it's really simple. The problem here is, and let me get this right here, this executable right here, disregard this file, and then I will also show you how you want to do it. Now, people download this file, right? They download the executable, they go to their Red Dead Redemption folder. I need to check where it is. RDR2 for me, or RD2 I called it. And they probably paste it right in here. And then it should be here somewhere at the bottom. If I didn't copy it. Doesn't matter. I thought I copied it. I did, but I'm using the wrong keyboard. This is the keyboard from my stream PC. So that's why it doesn't work. Doesn't matter. So what they're doing here is they put the exe in here and then launch that exe. It goes through, it downloads the content it needs. That all will work completely fine. It launches, you can't connect to the server, and that is where you're getting kicked. Kind of, because you can't connect. It's impossible to connect this way. Because when you do this, it's going to try and launch the default Red Dead Redemption 2 game. And this is what we do not want. What we do want, however, is what I always recommend you doing. You can do multiple ways. You can just make a new folder on your desktop. Or, yeah, on your desktop in this case, and call it, I don't know, RedM. Use the correct keyboard. You can call it however you want, doesn't matter. Open that, and then you want to paste the exe in here. Let me grab it back. Yeah, copy that, and I'll paste it this way. Now, this is how you want to do it. Yeah, you want to do it here. So, or you have a folder on your desktop, or you do it how I have it on a separate hard drive. You can technically just put it in your C drive. Doesn't really matter. You can even actually put it in your Steam directory. Also, it doesn't matter as long as it is not, well, should not matter. It's possible if you put it in the Steam folder, it still does this. It should not, but it's possible. So the best thing to do is completely install it on a different drive. So once you have it in a separate folder on a separate drive, or maybe on your desktop, then you just want to open the exe file, go through the whole hassle of downloading stuff again. When you have this done, you should be good to go. Now, if for some reason you still get this error, let me know down in the comments below. And I will try and help you out to the best of the ability I can do. But yeah, it's that simple, actually. Now, there are, of course, some more problems you can run into. But when I need, I will make some videos about that. With that being said, I do hope that this actually helped you out. If it didn't, once again, let me know down in the comments below. Also, once again, the link to the TackRoom. I keep calling it TackRoom. I don't know why. I'll keep it like that. So if I say TackRoom, you know I mean the TackRoom. Yeah. I'll leave a link in the description to their website, because that's the way you need to be. You have to go to the website, to the Discord, and then get whitelisted and all that stuff. But the website is also a really good source to figure out what the hell this server is all about. Once again, if you like horses, if you like Red Dead Redemption, but you're not a big fan of the PvP or I mean, there is you can kind of do PvP ish, but it's not focused on that. It's also not really focused on RP, even though you can if you want to. We do have events. I don't know. We have a whole lot of stuff, and the server is still growing every day. The developers on this server doing a great job, and I am in close contact with the founder of the server. What kind of became a friend over the time. Once again, huge shout out to her too. And yeah, you can actually build your own place. So instead of having a static location, you can build your own house if you want to, or anything. Of course, within a limit. And a lot of that stuff is still in testing. May change over time, of course. But yeah, there is a lot of stuff you can do. You're allowed to do. Have fun, join people, have events, breed different horses, train your horses. Don't forget that. That's probably the most great part. Now, I personally haven't done it yet. I still have to, but I have so less time to actually jump onto the server, what kind of bugs me because I really want to go and play on that server again, but I will. I will also, by the way, quick note, not edit this video. That's why I probably was the third time shooting this. Because I still have to set everything up and log in, and I don't know, it's a mess. But yeah, once again, guys, I hope this fix worked. If you have any other issues, or you just have a general question overall about RedM or any other RedM related problems, let me know down in the comments below. If you are also interested in development, game development, most of it's like environment design. I'm an environment artist. I'm so sorry for not telling you that, but scroll to the server and you see, to the YouTube. There are some more videos coming up real soon. Also, I do now finally have a brand new Discord dedicated for Unreal Engine environment artists and lighting artists and level designers. So it's for Unreal Engine. Maybe we'll add some Unity in later. I don't know yet, but mostly focused on Unreal Engine. I made this server because there are so many servers that are programming related, modeling related, and all that stuff. And animated and that stuff, but not really for level design stuff. Now, once again, it is a starting server. We also do have a verified role. This is not your classic Discord verified role. The role on our server is a verified artist. This means you can do mentorships through our Discord. And yes, payments are allowed through the Discord too. Of course, strings attached, kinda. But this is stuff you can all find the information on the Discord. So if you're interested in that, hop in there. And if you have any problems Unreal Engine related, if it comes to that specific department like level design, environment artists, lighting artists, you can also jump into the Discord because we do also, of course, give support there and help people out. That's what the main Discord is. Well, that's what the Discord is mainly made for. It's for helping people out, teaching people, and just sharing your projects. Good vibes all the way. Also, we do stream on twitch.tv/freaksheep. We may Freaksheep TV link will also be down in the description below. We may change that name once more time, but we'll see. But yeah, without me rambling on any longer, guys, I hope you all have a fantastic day and get going at it. We'll see you probably really soon. And I have some really, really, really good stuff coming up. Enjoy. See you in the next one, guys.